Okay, today's something a little fun, little unrehearsed as well. I got a parcel today, and you will join me in the opening. I am a big fan of Panerai watches, but like most people, can't afford one. So I was doing a little research on Panerai clones, homages, however you want to refer to it. And I came upon some discussion on the forum about a guy, I think it's a guy, I don't know, it could be a company called Getat that makes Panerai homages. And given that, well, firstly, Panerai is even second hand, you're looking at $6,000, potentially more, which is firstly out of the reach for a lot of people, but also it's kind of an interesting thing that it's it's something I saw in the discussion with an NBA basketball actually, where he sort of put it that it's a fairly selfish thing to do, spend $10,000 or $15,000 on a watch, given that it's just for you, not for the family. And I have a family, and so anyway, long story short, I thought, since I'm never going to have a Panerai, I'm going to get something that's pretty close to a Panerai because I love the look. And these Getat ones, well, firstly, people seem to really rate them, and secondly, I think it's kind of a good bang for a buck for a watch, even if you're not talking about a Panerai clone. Wow, okay, here we go. Oh, this is interesting. Getting all the excitement here of the first look. Wow, that is cool. I'm going to have to do a review of it, but I thought I'd just give you a quick first look. Anyway, as I said, it's actually fairly good bang for buck for a watch anyway, given that it's sapphire crystal, full 316L stainless steel case, a good movement. So, just even buying a watch of this spec, that's a pretty good deal. So I will put it on the wrist and everything, and I might do a review later, but I can tell you that Getat is still running and around and making watches, which is a good thing. I will check this out and get back to you.